We very much agree that the Corbyn challenge is the challenge. If we go into more uncertainty, which seems to be the case minute after minute, those stocks in the UK who are highly dependent from domestic consumption and relationship with the European Union also are going to suffer quite significantly. I mean, we talked about the pounds earlier, potentially in our view going to parity, but that's just one element of the picture. I mean, whether it's going to be a massive, I think, movement, not necessarily, because obviously people still don't really understand what all this means, but certainly not the time to buy into those kind of stocks in the UK.
Slightly more technical interpretation too of the trade around sterling is that implied volatility for the last 3 months stands at about 15%, its highest level since June 2016. Compare that to on Turkey, the lira, implied volatility is at 20%, which tells you how closely now you are seeing that volatility spike around the currency. We know that there's traditionally been a correlation between the way sterling trades and the FTSE trades. So then if you've got such a spike in implied volatility intraday, what do you do on the stocks front? Does it just mean you can't hold as many, you've got to reduce exposure because of that volatility coming through from the currency? Yeah,
definitely. You do have to. It's interesting because I think people seems to think, and certainly politicians, that this is not necessarily such a big issue, but the markets are telling them otherwise. And you did compare it to Turkey. It's interesting that we see the same kind of volatility that we see in an emerging country. So this is serious stuff. I think it's about time that everybody takes it seriously. Clearly, I think short areas in this market where there's not necessarily, or there is more and more risk. We haven't actually been active, to be honest, in a lot of UK stocks. We did take exposure in certain of our themes to stocks like Sophos, for example, or others, but really on a piece-by-piece basis.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.